I've emphasized that the payment system is a credit system, and that it exists to make sure that whenever there's a mutually agreeable trade of real goods, there's no problem in making it happen. Okay? So that if a business wants to purchase a machine from society, one way that it could do that is by taking out a loan. No, the loan is in fact a liability, isn't it? Plus loan, plus deposit, plus loan, plus deposit. Okay. This is a swap. This is a swap of IOUs between a bank and a business. This is the characteristic banking thing. Okay. And then using that deposit to buy the machine from society. So minus deposit plus machine. Okay. Minus machine plus deposit. What I've shown is entirely feasible. So this could be a development bank, right? That is making a loan to a business so that it can buy a machine, and then the way the business does that is by transferring that deposit to whoever owns that machine, and the thing gets going. Okay? The question is this deposit, what's going to fund this loan? That's the question. This deposit is, if society wants to hold that deposit it's just added to its portfolio of financial assets, you got no problem. The deposit funds the loan, the deposit funds the machine, even though the deposit is a demand deposit and the machine is a loom or something that has a 10-year life. Okay, so there's this mismatch. As long as society is willing to hold this deposit, okay, that's fine. The deposit can fund the machine, even though this deposit was created out of thin air. But if society does not want to hold that deposit, you have a problem. Okay, so the other, it wants to hold some other kind of financial asset. So this is the money market payment. Money market payment example. Okay. The other extreme is the capital market funding system. If society is unwilling to fund this machine by holding money balances, by increasing its demand for money balances, okay, then the business is going to have to fund it some other way, and by issuing a bond, let's say. So we could have, just carrying this down, okay, plus bond minus loan. Okay. And here we have as an asset plus bond minus deposit. Okay, so this is society buying the bond, saying, I don't want that deposit. I have enough money balances. Okay, I'm going to buy a bond instead, long-term investment here. And this is minus loan minus deposit. Okay, so what I'm showing here is that in essence, the money market, this intermediation was temporary. It was like a bridge loan. Okay, it got the ball rolling. And then once the machine is there and it's online and you can see it, you issue a bond to get some permanent funding of the thing. So again, we have separate capital market and money market, but now they're starting to get intertwined. Okay, the money market gets the ball rolling using the elasticity of the payment system, And then the capital market, it does the takeout financing at the end, once the thing is going. We have here intermediation. This is like in Badgett, okay, except now it's long. And here we have direct finance. Bond, no intermediary. The intermediary drops out. Direct finance.